Hi, so you bought an IKEA Alex drawer and one of the runners has broken apart, or its part are all spread all over your floor. And if you're a bit stuck like me and you have this part separate from that part and this part separate from that part and the balls are scattering, I found a solution and I wanted to share it with you. And all you have to do is, let's say this is the runner, this is the base. You should put the plastic on top of that with the balls. Now you probably noticed that if you try to push it back into place, it won't fit and the balls will scatter. So the solution I found was to nudge the edges of this side a bit to the sides. You see, I just pull them off a bit and open it a bit out here, and with a plier pull them off to the right here. Now what I'll try to do is just remember that the direction is this is on the top and this goes on top of that, so I'll reverse it and try to enter it through here. Now when it's open, you'll notice that it runs quite smoothly in, and you need to push it a bit. Let's see. Let's try to do it with my hands here, and as you can see, it tries to fit in. Slowly it goes in. Now the other side here, sometimes it can be a bit hard. So you see it runs all the way here and the balls are intact. Now this is a bit harder, so I'll stop the video and try it manually with both hands. Well, I learned another new thing, that if you want to make it work, you need to first set the plastic all the way to the edge of the iron runner here. So it starts here and ends here, and then you have a spare to push inside. So if you start this way, it will fit in more smoothly inside. And now you see I can work it in and it goes like a good drawer. And if I simulate how it will look, how it will work when it's here, I'll try to connect it to its position, and if it's here, it opens till here, which is great. They both are opened till the same place. This is my fix, this is the one, and all I have to do now is just put the screws back in exactly as the other ones are set. Third one, and then I'll have to put the other screw on the other side here, and that's it. Good luck.